Cooking routine, helpful tips for a perfect dish. Are you tired of your meals turning out less than perfect? Do you want to elevate your cooking game and impress your friends and family with delicious dishes? Well, look no further. In this video, I will share some helpful tips and tricks to improve your cooking routine and ensure that every dish you prepare is a masterpiece. First and foremost, it's essential to start with a clean and organized kitchen. A cluttered workspace can lead to unnecessary stress and confusion while cooking. Take a few minutes before you begin to tidy up. Wash your utensils and gather all the necessary ingredients. This simple step will not only make your cooking process more efficient but also set the stage for a successful dish. Next, let's talk about mise en place. This French term refers to the practice of preparing and organizing all your ingredients before you start cooking. By chopping vegetables, measuring spices, and prepping everything in advance, you'll save time and avoid any last-minute scrambling. Mise en place allows you to focus on the cooking process itself, ensuring that each step is executed flawlessly. Temperature control is another crucial aspect of cooking. Whether you're grilling, baking, or sautéing, understanding and controlling the heat is key to achieving the desired results. Invest in a good quality thermometer to accurately measure the temperature of your ingredients. This will help you avoid undercooked or overcooked dishes, ensuring that everything is cooked to perfection. When it comes to seasoning, don't be afraid to experiment. While a recipe may provide guidelines, feel free to adjust the flavors to your liking. Taste as you go and add seasonings gradually, allowing the flavors to develop. Remember, it's easier to add more seasoning than to remove it. So start with a light hand and build up to your desired taste. Proper timing is essential in cooking. Keep an eye on the clock and set timers to remind you of each step. Overcooking can ruin even the most well-prepared ingredients, so make sure to follow the recommended cooking times. Additionally, be mindful of the order in which you add ingredients. Some ingredients require longer cooking times, while others are more delicate and should be added towards the end. Lastly, don't forget to have fun and enjoy the process. Cooking is a creative and rewarding activity that allows you to express yourself through food. Embrace your inner chef. Try new recipes, and don't be discouraged by the occasional mishaps. Remember, even the most experienced cooks make mistakes. So keep practicing and refining your skills. Now that you have these helpful tips in your arsenal, it's time to step into the kitchen and create some culinary masterpieces. I hope this video has inspired you to elevate your cooking routine and explore new flavors and techniques. If you enjoyed this content and want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Happy cooking! Engage with viewers by urging them to comment their favorite cooking tips or share their cooking routines.